welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite chocolate girl, Beatbymoe, and I'm back with another slay for you today. Okay. To all my returning subscribers, hey y'all, hey. If you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Turn on your post notifications so you do not miss an upload from your favorite chocolate girl. Okay. So brows are on fleek already. And we are going to be doing a nice colorful eye today. So I think I'm going to go with I want to do some greens and orange and yellow. So today we are going to be going into, I can't get the palette open, y'all. We're going to be going into the Kleancolor Pro Bold palette. And I see Bribery use this palette. And it just gave so much of pigment. And guess what, guys? It was only $10. I believe it was only $10. I'm going to put the link in my description box along with all the products that I use on my face today. And my Instagram handle at Beatbymoe with 2 E's. So you guys can go on the gram and follow me so you can see the pictures and the reels of this look. Because, you know, baby, they are going to be what? Fire. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go in and prime my eyes. The rest of this video is going to be a voiceover. You already know. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so do y'all see that eye? We finna do that to the other eye. So we're going into that Kleancolor palette and we're taking that, it's like a bluish greenish color. And I'm gonna start packing that all into my crease. So when I pack it into my crease, I am not like doing the C shape like I normally do. I'm doing like a S shape kind of. And taking it out and then bringing it in at an angle. So now I'm going right on top of that, even though you guys cannot see it because I got the mirror all in my face. Like, girl, move the mirror. But I'm taking this aqua blue and I'm going right on top of that greenish bluish color, and I'm just gonna pack that right on top and make sure that they are nice and blended together. So then I'm going in with this nice lime green color. Well, it's not lime green. Yeah, it's lime green. And I'm going to pack that onto that aqua blue. And I am going to blend that into the aqua blue. Now, we are going to go in and pack all these colors in. And then we're going to go in and go back and blend them out again. So now I'm taking that orange right into the top there, right over the, y'all cannot talk, right over the green, and I'm gonna blend it into the green, and then I'm gonna take that yellow and I'm gonna blend it right directly in front of that orange. Then off camera, I'm gonna go back in and blend all these colors back in so they can transition nicely. And of course, it's already pigmented. Like, you could stop there and just go on about your business if you want to, but me, I like to have a vibrant look. So we're just gonna go in, and off camera, I'm just gonna make sure that everything is nice and blended. Honey, do y'all see that? All right, so now we're gonna do that to the next eye. So I went in with my P. Louis base, and what I'm doing is I'm just taking those same colors and I'm just gonna stack them on top of one another and blend them out. So I'm gonna go in with that dark aqua bluish greenish color. I'm just gonna pack that into like the corner of my eye and blend it out like my wing. Then we're gonna go in with that aqua blue and we're gonna blend that into that bluish greenish color. Guys, for this palette to be $10, do y'all see the pigment? Do y'all see the pigment? Like, I know y'all see the pigment because I see the pigment. Now we're going to go right on top of that with some green. And we're going to blend that into that blue. Again, guys, everything that I used on my face will be listed in the description box. If you want the link to this palette included in my description box, let me know in the comments below that you would like for me to drop this link so that you guys can go purchase this, because like I said before, I seen Brianna Marie use this palette and I just, sorry about that, I had to go get the door for my son because he forgot his key. But we're just gonna go back in and we're gonna blend these colors together. As I was saying, I seen Brianna Marie use this palette and it gave me life, so I had to go cop it, and I am not dissatisfied, okay? So I'm going in with that orange and I'm gonna pack that right on top of that green, y'all. This is giving me peacock vibes. It's giving me flamingo, well, not flamingo, but it's like giving me tropical vibes. Like, this look is a vibe, y'all. Like, it's coming together just how I imagined it in my head. So guys, like I said, we're going to be doing a lot of back and forth because we don't want those colors to just be sitting there. We're doing a lot of blending because I want these colors to be like meshed together. I want it to give me that blended, nice transition of colors. So we are going in, we're doing a lot of blending here, okay? Gonna go into my Morphe palette and I'm gonna go into a tan and I'm gonna pack that into the rest of my crease. Before I go in with that yellow, because I'm not gonna be using a lot of yellow, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of yellow and then I'm gonna go in with my glitter. The reason why I do this is because I don't want this base to crack when I open my eyes, because I have hooded eyes. So I want to make sure that my base is set and good to go before I move on to the next steps, because like I said, I don't want my base to crack. So we're going to be trying something different with the foundation. So I'm going in with my contouring stick in the shade Congo. And I am going to be putting that on my forehead, on my cheeks. And then I'm going to go into my foundation, my Tarte Face Tape foundation in the shade Mahogany. That's a lot to get out. But I'm going to go right up under that concealer. And I'm gonna go right above that concealer, not concealer, contour, right above that contour. I'm not gonna go up under my eyes and I'm not gonna go deep on my forehead because I'm trying something new. I'm trying a new method. So I wanna see if this turns out good. And guys, I think I'm gonna be doing this method from now on. If you wanna see a full foundation routine, let me know in the comment sections, because you know your girl will deliver. I'm not stingy. So just let me know what you want to see. But I'm not going in with much foundation. Why I keep wanting to say concealer? But I'm not going in with much foundation. I'm just going on top of the concealer. I mean contour. Golly, what is it with me and concealer? But I'm just going on top of the contour and a little bit on my forehead. Now I'm going in with my Real Techniques foundation brush, and I'm just gonna go in and blend out that foundation. So now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Chestnut. Yeah, Chestnut. And I'm gonna put that on my lip, on my chin, and up under my eye. I'm not gonna go deep into my eye, like into the corner of my eye, because I'm gonna go in with the brighter color, because you know your girl like a bright under eye. So I'm just going in the places that you see me place that concealer, that LA Girl Pro Concealer. in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to place that everywhere where I conceal. Guys, I did go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Caramel, and I put that in the corners of my eye. But I don't know what happened to that clip, so I'm just going to tell you that's what I did. And guys, please remember to check out my description box so you can see the products that I used today, because I am not stingy and I definitely want to share with you guys what I used. If you're close to my skin tone, this is very, very helpful when trying to learn how to do your makeup. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Pressed Bronze palette, and this is in the shade Dark, and I'm going into that darkest color, and I'm just gonna set everywhere that I contoured. So on my nose, on my forehead, and on my cheeks. So just to tone my face down a little bit, I'm going into my Morphe Bronzing Palette in the shade Leader. And I'm just going to set everywhere that I put that Sacha Buttercup on the outside of my face. So now we're going into the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette too, y'all. This palette has me by the juggler, okay? I am in love with this palette, okay? So we're going into the shade 2. And I'm just going to put some blushy blush on them cheeks. I just wanted to stop for a second so y'all can get into these eyes, because honey, I did my thing. I did my thing with this. Oh my God. Y'all. I did my thing. I did my thing with this look. So now we're gonna go in with Bribery, because we're doing a nice nude lip. I'm gonna go in with, where's my nude lipstick? I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics nude lipstick. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Cosmetics Pink Cosmo gloss. And then I'm gonna go on top of that with some regular hairstyle gloss. And I'm gonna go get dressed, and that's gonna be it for this look. Oh, no, I'm forgetting something, y'all. I'm forgetting my highlight. I gotta shine bright like a diamond. So let me hop into my highlight real quick. And you already know I'm going to be using the Beat by Debs Ice Me Out highlighter. So let me go ahead and do my highlight, and then we will get into the lips, and then I will see you guys in my outro. So I'm not really going to say too much here because I've already explained it in my last clip. But guys, I just want to take a moment to thank everybody. I know I'm not far with my YouTube journey, and I have so much more to do and so much further to go. But I just want to thank everybody that has been supporting me, who has been subscribing, liking, and commenting on my videos. It means the world to me for people to actually see me out here doing what I love and appreciate what I'm doing. Also, guys, if you want to see me do a full wig install, ball cap method, plucking, bleaching, installing, let me know, and I will definitely get that out for you guys, because this wig is giving me realness, okay? It's giving me life. Do y'all see this wig giving me scalp? Again, guys, I just want to say thank you for all of your support. And I will definitely see you guys in my next video. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So here is the finished look. Ladies and gentlemen, get into it, y'all. This is a slay, baby. This is a slay. This is a slay. If you made it to the end of my video and you have not subscribed, here you go. Go ahead and go hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this look. Thumbs up this look, guys. Because, honey, I came and I delivered another slay, y'all. Like, y'all, ooh, yes. This look came out so freaking pretty. It came out better than I imagined it actually would come out, y'all. I had little faith in myself. But I hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys like this look. And y'all, look at the wig giving scalp. It's giving scalp, honey. Your girl is getting better and better at these wigs, honey. So this wig that I'm wearing in this video, it's the same wig as the burgundy wig, but it's 30 inches. And of course it's black. So I didn't do a wig review, and maybe I should have did a wig install, or like show you guys how I do like my bald cap method, and like how I bleach my knots and how I pluck it. But guys, if that's something that you want to see, you know what to do. Leave it in the comment section below, and I will definitely get on that for you guys. But until next time, guys. Before we leave, go follow my Instagram at Beatbymoe with 2 E's. Because you know the pictures and reels are going to be what? Fire. So, here is my Instagram. Go ahead and go follow me on the gram. Don't forget to check out my description box.
Get that